Doctors have been left baffled by a young boy whose head hangs at a 180-degree angle to his torso. Mahendra Ahirwar, 12, from central India has suffered from this mysterious condition since birth and is unable to walk or stand due to a weak back. His parents, Mukesh Ahirwar, 40, and Sumitra Ahirwar, 35, claim they have consulted nearly 50 doctors, all of whom have been able to diagnose the boy. Consultant Shashidhar Tatavarthy, this is one of the rarest of rare cases. His condition could be due to a spine anomaly or muscular disorder, but it can only be concluded after a thorough investigation. Mahendra's mother, Sumitra, added, he cannot do anything by himself. He just sits in a corner of the room all day. It's no life. I have to carry him like a baby everywhere, but he is 12 years old. How will I carry him when he grows even older? If doctors cannot treat my son, it is better that God takes him. The family have not experienced support from the local community, some of whom blamed the condition on Mukesh's past sins. His father added, people say bad things about him, and they often laugh at him. It really hurts us. We cannot tolerate people's attitudes and discrimination. They say I must have committed some terrible sins and this is why he is suffering. It's awful.